everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today I'm again on the terrace just to record the weather, as the weather is so pleasant, and as usual I daily come on the terrace in the evening and in the morning as well in order to enjoy the weather, because I love nature. I love to be in the nature. And here again I'm here on the terrace, and I am recording, so I'm just thinking to tell something that would help you in improving your English. So again I'm here before you to tell something very important, that technique which helped me a lot, which I used to do when I was the beginner, and I always say this thing. So the name of the technique is debate method. Yes. Here what you have to do in this debate method, now you might be thinking that debate, we need two people in debate, that how can a debate can be there with one person only? Yes. Debate is possible with one person only. If you don't have the partner, because we all are struggling with the same issue, that we don't have partner, we have only one, and now we have to cope up with this loneliness. We have to make this loneliness our strength, and it becomes a strength if we try, right? My loneliness became my strength when I started thinking that I am alone, no one is there, no one is gonna help me, no one is gonna remove my what should I say, will help me to improve, to take out me from the difficulties of my life. Then this loneliness became my strength. So now in this debate method, what you have to do, you have to speak. What we do in debate competition, two people are there in debate, and one topic is given to both the people, and one is in favor of that topic, another one is against of that topic. So here we have to become the two person. Take any topic and speak in favor of that topic, and after that speak against of that topic. And here I'm gonna give you a demo class, that how to do this activity, this method. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Don't take it seriously. I'm just looking here and there just because I'm just enjoying the weather, and this time I just want to be utilized. That's why I'm just looking here and there and also talking to you, so that this video can be natural. So here we go. Choose a topic, like what should be the topic? The topic should be like, okay, social media. First I will speak in favor of social media, and then I will speak in against of that social media. So let's get started. Social media in today's time has become the part of our life. It has become the inseparable part of our life, that we can never get separated from this social media. Lots of the things are there which are meant to make us feel happy. This social media is helping us in many ways, in various ways, as it we can watch what is going on around the world. By watching videos, podcasts and news, we can know anything about the world anywhere. We are just to type whatever we want to listen. Suppose I want to know that what is going on in Gulf countries, what is going on in America, what is going on in that country, what is going on that country, right? So it will give me information within just few seconds. It's good for the people who are in search of job. We can search job at sitting at our home only. It is a source of information. It has become the source of information for the students. For the students, it has become like a wonder. Students who were unable in earlier days, who were unable to go for tuitions and to give money for to pay for the tuitions. Now those people, those students can sit at home and they can watch whatever they want to study. Study is there on YouTube, on Google, everywhere. Whatever they want to study, they can do within the reach of their within their reach. They don't need money to pay, because so many free courses are also there, so many things are also there. And we can, it is giving us watch. We don't need watch if we have mobile. We don't need any partner if we have mobile. For example, if we are alone at home and we want to enjoy, we have phone to enjoy whatever we want to do. If we want to watch movie, we can watch movie. If we want to listen music, we can listen music. If we want to watch music, if we want to work, if we want to watch like news, anything, whatever is there in our mind, we can have in our hand with the help of this mobile. This is power of social media. And one, lots of examples are there of the YouTubers who were who were zero. Now they are earning a lot of money just because of so many YouTubers. Those who are teaching, they are earning a lot. It has become a source of earning. I can speak 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I can speak in favor. Now let's start speaking about the negative effect. It means I'm speaking against of this topic, social media. If I talk about social media has become the curse in today's life. Because now, if it is helping us to get growth, it has also become the source of spoiling the mind of the people, the mind of the students. Because the children, basically it has become the curse. If it has become boon for the children, at the same time it has been proved that it has become curse for the children, because children are at the age where they don't know what is to be seen and what is not to be seen. Then they attract it towards the negativity of the social media. They can see whatever is coming on net. It is spoiling their mind. They are becoming sensitive. So many cases of affairs where girls are spoiling the boys, boys are spoiling the girls. So many negative aspects we can listen. So many rape cases are going on because people are watching that how to deal with these conditions. A criminal can get, what should I say, tips to crime. Yes. So this way you have to speak about one thing positively, and after positivity speak about negativity. In this way you will get chance to speak more and more and more about one topic. And it will, in this technique you will expose yourself to speak negative point of the same thing, and speak negative point about the same thing. It will increase your knowledge. It will give you exposure to your language, to your thinking, to your creative mind. It will pressure your mind to think positively about one thing and also to think negatively about same thing. It will give you chance to speak more and more and more. And once you are given chance to speak more and more, then your speaking can never remain here. It will remain there. It will flow, it will grow, it will improve, and you will see the massive result. Just try this technique for 7 days. Within 7 days you will see the result. Active result, powerful result, practical result. Just set a time in a day that 5 minutes I'll do this practice. I'll speak 5 minutes in favor, 5 minutes against of it. Duration might be according to you. Yes, duration might be according to you. If you are able, if you are comfortable to speak for 1 minute, then set 1 minute for positive point, 1 minute for negative point. If you become able after 2 3 days, after 7 days, then maximize the speed, maximize the duration. After that, when you will be able to speak for 1 minute, then increase 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, then 4 minutes. In this way, you will be able to improve your ability to speak on one topic. You yourself will be wondered to see that how much you can speak about one thing. So this is just a wonderful technique, guys. It's my humble request to please try this technique, as it really helps, and you really don't know how much it's gonna help you, because I only talk about those techniques which help me. So it's my humble request to please try this technique. It will immensely help you. It will excel your English. It will accelerate your ability to speak more and more. And you will also come out of the boredom of speaking only about your daily routine, only about your describing the things. It will give you chance to speak different things, to speak about different things. Choose one topic daily. And first of all, let me clear one thing, that you have to choose an interesting topic on which you can speak much. After that, you can choose the topic girl safety. You can talk much about this. And after that, education system, effect of technology on the mind of the people or on students, school system, and what is going on in our country, the power of girls, the power of education. So many topics you can search, you can google the topic, give me topic to speak. Google will give you a list of the topics. And if you are unable to speak on the topic, first prepare the topic. For example, you are talking about social media, find out the words, vocabulary, have a vocabulary. Social media, mobile phone, technology, Facebook, Instagram, children, adults, reels, videos, podcast, music, so many things, and then talk about those things, right? So it's my humble request to please try this technique. Please guys, please, if you want to improve your English, you have to do one thing. You have to do one thing, that you have to decide that I will speak at any cost. I will speak, no one can stop me. I will become unstoppable. Once you become unstoppable, then no one will dare to stop you. Even your fear will not stop you. Beat your fear, then you will do wonders, right? So before ending the video, now it's time to end the video, because it's getting dark. You can see it's getting dark. And before ending the video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe, because I want your support. I want your views. I want your views to get growth on social media, because if I am not growing here, then I won't be able to help the people who want to learn English. And I'm really enjoying my journey as I'm improving day by day. And I always repeat this thing, because I am improving. I can see, I can feel my improvement. You can also feel my confidence. Now, earlier I used to feel hesitate, I used to feel lack of confidence, I used to feel nervous, but not now. Nothing. I don't feel anything. I just feel encouragement to speak more and more and more. And you can also feel like same if you will apply all those activities which I tell here on my channel. And daily I'm being live daily in my live streaming, in the morning and in the evening as well. So catch you there also, catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.